GATE exam is coming soon, and that's why in this video I am giving you some very important area of total syllabus of computer science, from where you can get confirm marks and you can write down that yes, I am GATE qualified. Within this short time also it is possible. In our hand very limited time is there. In this limited time you have to focus on the 100% confirm area from where questions are always coming. So please watch this video till the end and definitely subscribe to the channel. Click the bell icon to get all the latest update and notification. Like and share this video to all of your friends. So first of all, mathematical aptitude. Mathematical aptitude 15 marks are coming with English. So this is the area from where you can easily score a good marks. So for that only previous year's question and concept is sufficient. So that's why I have already started a free series on mathematical aptitude on Unacademy platform that you can refer. I am giving the link in the description below. And after that, coming to the computer science topic. In computer science topic, there are some easy area and confirm area from where always question are coming. Like in DBMS functional dependency chapter, ER diagram. Normalization is there in functional dependency. Minimal cover is there in functional dependency. ER diagram, what is the minimum number of tables will be required. Candidate key, super key, this concept always question are coming. I have already uploaded some videos on normalization, functional dependency, important questions, and I will upload more video on this topic and ER diagram also. You can follow that, and definitely you can follow my free classes. Although I am taking free classes on UGC NET category, but this is same area and I am focusing on the GATE question now. So that's why you can avail that classes 7 p.m. After that, coming to the operating system. Operating system CPU scheduling. Always question are coming from CPU scheduling, especially the round robin scheduling. So don't miss that topic, and already this is there. I took a class and I will upload that video. So stay tuned with this channel remaining coming days. So after CPU scheduling, there is the deadlock. In the deadlock chapter also very important, always question came from the deadlock chapter of operating system. And paging, TLB, this concept, paging concept is very important. Paging, segmentation, page fault, these are the area from where operating system questions are coming. You can do the previous year's question of these areas so that you can confirm your marks. After that, coming to the TOC. In TOC, always regular grammar, regular expression, different types of grammar, context-free grammar, identify the context-free grammar or not, ambiguity. These are the always coming question. And you can see my TOC playlist. In the TOC playlist already some videos are there. I will upload more videos in TOC playlist, specially focusing on GATE previous year's question. After that, if you are coming to that easy top, means little bit difficult but theoretical question are also coming from the networking. In networking, numerical are little bit hard topic, but numerical rather than that easy topic is also there from cryptography or from different types of layer questions are coming. You can do that. And even also I have uploaded some videos on networking numerical. I will upload more videos in networking numerical that you can prefer. But if you are little bit confused about the numerical, then you can skip it for now. Computer organization. If you are coming to the computer organization, there is the addressing mode, cache. There is different types of cache algorithm, cache conflict, cache miss, cache hit. So caching, cache mapping, these are the topic. Question is confirmed from this topic, from where easily you can score, right? So these are the topics. That's why I am telling you to focus on that topic from where always questions are coming. SQL, programming, Programming is a topic from where at least 4 to 5 questions will always come. If you can practice the programming, and these are the logical programming only, if you can focus on programming, if you can practice programming in good way, as you are a running student definitely and you are practicing programming, so please focus on programming more so that you can score a good marks in programming. After that, data structure algorithm. From data structure, hashing concept, stack, queue. From these concept questions are coming. And in algorithm, complexity, sorting algorithm. From here conceptual questions are coming. So do the algorithm, all the searching algorithm, sorting algorithm, hashing, and the other topics of links like stack, linked list, queue. These area are confirm area from where question will definitely come. Compiler is the area from where easy questions are coming, like which type of parse tree and all. So that questions compiler also is a easy area from where easily you can get marks, right? So what you can focus, that is already I have told in this video, and for that I can follow the important topics. Previous year's questions are there. I have already uploaded. I will upload more videos in this channel, and definitely you can follow my free classes on Unacademy platform 7 p.m. using my referral code Priyanka C Live. You have to register yourself on NTA UGC NET category, because I am the educator of UGC NET category, but I am solving their GATE previous year's question. I am focusing on GATE question because there is some common learner who are preparing for UGC NET and GATE both. That's why now till GATE exam I will focus on mathematical aptitude and the other area of computer science from where always questions are coming. Other area is also there like graph theory. From graph theory also I have already covered lots of topic that you can watch the recording, and other topic also I am going to cover. So please stay tuned with this channel. Try to follow me on Unacademy platform at 7 p.m. free classes, so that you can complete, you can cover all the syllabus, and ultimately you can write down that yes, I am GATE qualified. So see you soon in my next video. Stay tuned with this channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon so that you can get time notification time to time. You can join our Telegram channel also, Unify Study. Here I am giving the link on the description below. Bye bye.